Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to share your Fiverr gig to LinkedIn. This is a great way to expand your reach and let your professional network know about the services you're offering, potentially bringing in more clients through LinkedIn's platform. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Fiverr account. Just enter your credentials and sign in to access your dashboard. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll need to click on My Business. This section is where you manage all your freelance activities and offerings on Fiverr. From the drop-down options that appear, select Gigs. This will take you to a page displaying all the gigs you've created and are currently offering on the platform. Now, take a moment to browse through your gigs and locate the specific one you want to share on LinkedIn. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that gig listing. You'll notice a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal several options for managing your gig. From these options, select Share. This opens up the sharing functionality that allows you to promote your gig across various platforms. Next, you'll see different social media platforms where you can share your gig. Go ahead and click on LinkedIn. This will redirect you to LinkedIn's platform, where you can post your gig directly to your professional network. At this point, you may need to wait a brief moment while the page loads and connects to LinkedIn. Finally, if you're not already logged into your LinkedIn account, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your LinkedIn credentials to access your account. Once you're signed in, LinkedIn will typically prepare a post with your Fiverr gig details already populated, making it easy for you to share with your connections. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Fiverr gig to LinkedIn, opening up new opportunities to reach potential clients through your professional network. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.